How cognitive testing can optimize Agile team performance. Agile methodology thrives on speed and adaptability, allowing teams to stay competitive in fast-changing environments. Frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, and SAFE bring structure to workflows, yet they often miss a critical factor: the cognitive capacity of the people using them. When cognitive load is high, even the most efficient process can slow down. To truly maximize mental agility and sustain team productivity, organizations must also consider how quickly individuals can process information and make effective decisions. In this article, we'll explore in detail how improving cognitive performance can directly enhance Agile team success.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
And cognitive performance in Agile teams. In Agile teams, cognitive performance is not the same as IQ. It's about how well individuals handle the mental demands of fast-paced collaboration. Strong cognitive agility helps members adapt, prioritize, and maintain clarity under pressure. Key components include reaction time, or how quickly someone processes information and responds, focus and attention, which sustain productivity during stand-ups, sprints, and retrospectives, and decision-making speed, crucial for resolving blockers efficiently. When these areas weaken, teams face delays, miscommunication, and decision fatigue. Simple tools such as a reaction speed test can provide objective insights into processing speed, attention span, and working memory, helping leaders understand and strengthen the team's collective mental sharpness for sustained Agile performance. Why traditional Agile metrics don't tell the full story. Traditional Agile metrics like velocity, burn-down charts, lead time, and cycle time are widely used to evaluate productivity. These Agile KPIs track how much work is completed and how efficiently tasks move through the pipeline. While useful, they primarily measure output, the visible results of a sprint, rather than the mental performance driving those outcomes. 3 ways cognitive testing elevates Agile performance. Optimizing sprint planning and task allocation. Cognitive insights can make sprint planning more effective by aligning task assignments with individual strengths. For example, a member with strong reaction speed may excel in fast troubleshooting, while others with higher mental energy and sustained focus might handle complex, detail-heavy tasks. Recognizing these cognitive patterns supports better workload balance and prevents mismatched responsibilities. It also helps leaders identify early signs of burnout risk, ensuring the team maintains consistent performance without draining their collective focus and attention. Improving daily stand-ups and rapid problem-solving. Daily stand-ups thrive on fast communication, where every second counts in keeping the sprint on track. By tracking reaction time, teams can uncover subtle delays that slow down discussions and create hidden communication bottlenecks. When team members respond quickly and clearly, blockers are identified and resolved faster, directly improving sprint health. For example, a quicker reaction during a stand-up can mean immediate problem recognition, leading to faster real-time decision-making and fewer downstream delays. Enhancing stand-up efficiency isn't about rushing. It's about sharpening communication speed so the team can adapt and move forward without friction. Driving smarter retrospectives with data. Retrospectives are the heartbeat of continuous improvement, giving teams space for honest reflection and growth. Beyond process discussions, incorporating cognitive insights like average reaction time results can highlight issues often missed. For example, if the team's reaction speed drops compared to previous sprints, it may signal fatigue, meeting overload, or loss of focus. This objective data encourages deeper conversations during retrospectives, shifting them from guesswork to evidence-based process optimization. By blending subjective feedback with measurable signals of mental performance, teams can uncover hidden challenges and refine their approach for more sustainable, high-performing collaboration.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.